Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show how to increase the upload file size in WordPress. If you watch the full video, then you will be able to increase the upload file size for your WordPress site. Before watching the video, please subscribe the channel and let's start. I can do the work easily with a free WordPress plugin. So I go to the admin dashboard and hover over on media and click on add new. Right now you can see maximum upload file size 2 MB. Actually this value can be different from server to server and it depends on the hosting provider and the server configuration. Okay, in my server the value shows 2 MB. You can see it 32, 64 or 128 MB whatever. Okay, so if you can see here on 28 or 64 or 32 or 2 MB. Okay, and if you will try to upload more than large file, then you could not it. Okay, let's check. In my server the maximum upload file size is 2 MB. Okay, now I will try to upload a large file which is larger than the 2 MB. Now I will try to upload a file whose size is large than the 2 MB. Okay, let's check. So click on select files and you can see this image size is 2.55 MB. That means this image size is large than the 2 MB. So click and select the image and click on open. Then you can see a warning message exceeds the maximum upload size for this site. That means it doesn't allow to upload the file whose size is more than 2 MB. Okay, so I have to increase this upload file size. At the very beginning I mentioned that I can do it with a free WordPress plugin. So I hover over on plugin. So I have to install a plugin. That's why I hover over on plugins and click on add new. Right here weak file uploads. This is the plugin. Click on it. Install now. The plugin is installed. Now click on activate. Successfully the plugin is activated. To configure the plugin, you can click on settings, as well as if you hover over on settings, then you can see big file uploads. You can configure the plugin from here. Okay, so click on it. This is the plugin setting page or configuration page. You can set the value from here. Right side you can see 2 MB. If you click on upper arrow, then the value will increase. Then again if you click on down arrow, the value will decrease. As well as you can write directly the value. So I write 512 MB and click on save. The setting has been saved. Okay, then again check from the media file. Okay, hover over on media and click on add new. You can see the value has been changed. Previous it was 2 MB, now it shows 512 MB. That's mean successfully we have able to increase the file size. Okay, then again I try to upload the same image, so click on select file, click and select this image and click on open. You can see the progress bar. Okay, successfully the image has been uploaded. So through the video we will learn how to increase the upload file size in WordPress. Okay, please subscribe the channel to get more video like this.